Greenskins to the north, heading for the storehouses.
How'd you get, boys? Boss wants you to get the Yumi shiniest bits.
Ooh, I love being a looter. Now we can get her the best bits.
Reopen the gate!
The orcs are already at the storehouses, Commander.
Emperor's speed, Commander.
I have located our battle brothers.
We need to move up quickly.
Them newbies close the gate again!
Assault squad repositioning, moving to capture.
Heading there now.
Objective taken. This is Thaddeus.
Ain't gonna like this.
Enemy destroyed.
Hostile movement up ahead, brothers.
Enemy attack.
We will thin their ranks.
Are relics of the chapter.
Those items match the descriptions of relics long lost to the chapter. You should secure them and await extraction.
Tactical squad, return fire.
Our foes
Unit is right proper! You can't have it back!
Relocate from the line of fire.
Anything's better than the cannon! I don't know what that is!
It's done.
Target destroyed.
Thaddeus here.
Tactical squad.
Conserving ammunition.
Make for the forge works! Let nothing stop you, Eldar!
Angel Gate is under attack!
The Eldar!
The witch! Idranel! It must be!
Can't get a fix on them! Return fire! Return fire!
Commander, we'll need your help to repel the attack.
This warehouse is full of relics stolen from our chapter. Your governor is a thief as well as a coward.
I couldn't agree more, Sergeant. But the fate of Meridian still rests on holding Angel Gate.
Stop!
Greenskin reinforcements. She is right, Commander. We cannot allow Angel Gate to fall. I will hold off these aliens and guard our relics. Go save Angel Gate.
Say it now before silent movement. We have caught the witch's eye. It is done. Move on.
It took firepower to do this.
Come, humans! It is the day of your death! And I am your executioner.
Follow!
You will not reach Eternel in time to stop the detonation.
Detonation? They mean to destroy the Forge!
The Forge and this entire world, human.
War power! It is done. Move on. Excellent, Space Marines.
Yes, the plans were correct. The Forge's power supply is unstable. A simple chain reaction will wreath this world in fire.
Eternel, your wounds. The humans press in.
Suffering and I are old friends, Warlock. See to the humans, and I will enact our final gambit to protect the Craft world. My retinue's wards will keep me safe long enough.
Of course. Eldar! Our Farseer prepares to strike against the enemy.
Defend her at all costs!
Commander, we are experiencing massive power fluctuations. Whatever is happening there, you must stop it.
Xeno ambush! Fire! Another enemy crushed.
Hostiles.
The Marion was the best of us, humans. You will pay dearly for his loss.